Some of our friends engaged in farming and the agrochemical industry think we are unduly preoccupied with what we see as the need to move toward less dependence on chemicals in agriculture. Two developments strongly suggest otherwise. One is in California, where an initiative called Big Green is before the voters this fall. If adopted, Big Green will place severe restrictions on the use of chemicals on California's vegetable farms. The other is a survey which was commissioned by the American Farm Bureau. 65% of those randomly surveyed across the country said farmers should limit the amount of chemicals they use, and 79% said farmers need to adopt new methods for growing crops without chemicals. The initiative in California and the results of the Farm Bureau survey underscore the point we have been trying to make, which is that there is a very strong current of opinion across the country that agricultural chemicals are being used excessively, and that unless farmers voluntarily take steps to reduce their reliance on chemicals, they are going to be forced into it by public demand and government intervention. In all likelihood, the steps that would be taken through that process, as in California, will be excessive and have a negative impact on both agriculture and the food supply. That is why we think it is so important to move voluntarily and quickly toward practices that fall under the concept of sustainable agriculture, profitable farming that is environmentally sound.